Morning guys, and welcome to the next vlog. Today we're at Foss Meadows in Leicestershire and we're going to be talking about woodland photography. A couple of tips on how to take woodland photography. Tip number one was to use either a wide angle or a telephoto lens. Because we're using a micro four thirds with the GX80, the 45 to 100mm lens is actually doubled, so it's equivalent to a 300mm. Using a 300mm is going to mean that the trees are compressed together. It creates a bit more separation so you can focus on one subject rather than all the chaos that's in the woodlands, I guess. A wide angle is good when you want to get all the trees in, but it'll make a busy scene, so often that's no good. A couple of tips when looking for compositions in this chaos. Look for S's in the ground and look for leading lines. Composition number one, we're using the trees here, I'll show you in a minute. It creates an S curve around, so your eyes follow the footpath and then turns as the trees disappear in the background. So we've got f8 100 ISO. The meter in on the camera is telling me I need a 2-second timer, which means the tripod is essential because of camera shake to keep it sharp. Another tip is to put a 2-second timer. If you put a 2-second timer and let go of the tripod, there won't be no camera shake from when you press the shutter button. I'm back again. I've just noticed looking at the camera now that there's a good composition with the trees on the left and the right. It's creating a walkway for your eyes to follow. So I'm going to reframe my camera. I'm going to try and get a portrait orientation of the trees going together there, and we'll see how it goes. Today was meant to be about capturing fog in the forest. So according to the Met Office, today was meant to be a foggy day this morning. So I've got up at 6 AM to come to this forest to get some fog. And we arrived and it was too dark to capture anything. By the time it got light, the fog had disappeared. So we're now taking up forest photography. But I have found this one small tree over here with a load of orange leaves on, so we're going to give that a go and frame that tree just on its own, hopefully create some separation, and then we'll move on, try some more foresty areas. And so a little tip on focusing, how to get that sharp image. I zoom straight into where I want to focus on, and then I'll press the back button focus, and then what I'll use is the live view. If you double tap your screen, depending on what camera you've got, and zoom straight in on your live view, you can get zoomed in as far as you can, and then use your manual focus to double check the focus, and then you should be good to go. What I'm looking for really today, what I was hoping for, is one isolated tree, just one isolated tree on its own that stands out. We found one, the orange tree on the left of the screen as you see it. We're taking pictures of that now, and the rain. We'll finish the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed. I'll put a link in the description of where we are. We'll see you again here soon.